Hello, and welcome back to Learn English with Minecraft, the series where I teach English while trying to survive in Minecraft. Except today, I'm not actually going to be playing Minecraft. Instead, I'm going to do something that I should have done a long time ago. Today, I'm going to design a custom skin to play with. My name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. So this is skin. This is my skin. And in Minecraft, a skin is what your character looks like. And there are a lot of different skins you can choose from, but you can also design your own. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm designing my skin on minecraftskins.com, which is a website where you can design skins for free. I've already started designing my skin right here. I want my skin to look kind of like me. So far, I've designed my black hair, my fluffy black hair, my brown eyes, right here and right here, my brown eyes, and I'm wearing a yellow shirt and green pants. But I'm not finished yet. The first thing that I want to do is make my shirt striped. I want the shirt to have white and yellow stripes. Maybe this color? And I'm going to start drawing stripes like this. I think that's too white. I want it to be a little bit more yellow. Maybe like that? This color? Let's see what that looks like. Okay, I like this color a lot more. It looks a little bit like a bee, but that's okay because bees are my favorite bug. So I'm going to draw these stripes on all sides. On this side, on this side, and on this side. So I'll start by drawing these stripes on this arm. Stripe. And now I'll draw the stripes on the back, the back. Stripe, stripe, stripe. And now, time to move on to the last arm right here. Stripe, 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 and stripe. Maybe I'll also draw stripes up here on the shoulders. Like this and like this. Okay, I like that. So now I'm wearing a striped shirt, but my shirt needs a collar, This right here is the collar of the shirt. And I want the collar to be pink, maybe this color. So now I'm going to draw the collar of the shirt. Okay. And I'll draw the same thing on the back. Okay, so now the shirt has a collar, but I need to change this right here where the neck is, because the neck should be the same color as my face, like this. Cool. So now my shirt has a collar, and I also have a neck. And there's still a couple things that I want to add. The first thing that I want to add is some of this pink color on the end of the sleeves right here. So this is called a sleeve, and I want to change the color of the end right here of the sleeve. And I want it to be the same color as the collar. So I'm going to select this pink color and draw some pink on the end of the sleeve, right here. Okay. And I'll do the same thing on the other sleeve. Cool. I colored the end of the sleeves pink, and now there's only one thing that's missing, and that is my watch. I always wear this watch, so I need to put it on my Minecraft skin. The face of the watch will be white, like this, and the strap is kind of green, so I'll make it the same color as the pants. Okay, there we go. Now it's time to move on to the pants. So I want there to be rips and holes in the pants. So I'm going to try to design some ripped pants right now. Okay, the first try was a failure, but I'm going to try again. Okay, well, it's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. So now I'm going to move on to the shoes. I'm going to design some shoes down here. I think I'm going to make the shoes brown. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the final thing that I want to add, which is body armor. Because I'm going to need it to survive. So I'm going to do my best to design some body armor for my skin. I'm starting by drawing some straps that go over my shoulders. Okay, finished drawing the shoulder straps. Okay, so this is the main chest plate, and I'm going to draw the same thing on the back. Alright, something like that. A lot of body armor also has straps that go right here. So I'm going to draw those now. Remove the arms. Cool. And now I'm just going to add details to the chest plate. Okay, I'm happy with that. And like before, I'll do the same thing on the back. Like this, and like this. That kind of looks like body armor. Okay, I think it's finished. It's not the best skin in the world, but it's good enough for me. I've never designed a Minecraft skin before, so this was my first try. Now I'm going to download this skin and enter my Minecraft world to see what it looks like in the game. Download. All right. Opening Minecraft. I'm excited. Change skin. No. I don't know how to change my skin. Back to Google. How to change Minecraft skin bedrock. Use owned skins. Okay. Own skins. Right here. Choose new skin. Here we go. Yeah. They look the same. Maybe this one? All right. What's happening right here? What's happening here? Oh, I see. I need to erase. All right, try number 2. This one? It looks good. Okay, let's enter the world. Fishland. Okay. And there we go. My custom skin. I love it. I'm very happy with this skin. So I'm going to end this video right here. Check out my next Minecraft video to see me playing with my new skin. If you liked this video, you could click the like button or subscribe to my channel by clicking up here. And if you want to continue learning, you could watch my last video by clicking down here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!